That's awesome. Yeah, Mason. There we go. All right, guys. So sun's bright. I'm still here with Mike and Eric over there, and we're at a top secret location in Iowa on our way home from South Dakota, and we're gonna do some fishing. So Dave hit some good gills and crappie here. Mike just got a bass on like his first drop in the hole. So I guess we'll see if we can catch something. Stay tuned, guys.
I didn't even have to punch a hole.
No, I just used one that was here already.
How's your graph looking, Mike?
I'm getting a mark here and there. I've already got my wax worm stolen once.
You actually able to see though?
Kind of. Oh, you little butt.
Alright, there we go. I think of no time. That's a small bass there. Oh, he's a little guy. I never even had time to hook him. I just yanked him out of the hole. Hey, there's another one. Look at that. Just like that.
Ah, come on.
Is that a little bluegill? Yeah.
There we go. Tiny little bluegill. Caught one though. You're not gonna keep. Bluegill, back down. Hopefully it's not a bunch of tiny guys like that. There we go. Another one.
Another little gill.
Yep.
Getting bigger.
A little bit bigger. And he stole my wax worm. And I got a mark down there.
I got that them little plastics from that panfish pirate.
Oh yeah, I would try some of those maybe. There we go. Hey, that's getting bigger. That's a green sunfish. Some sort of hybrid. Your mouth's too big. Gill. I'm still marking, so send him back down.
Little gill. Getting bigger on me though.
Yeah, that one was a little bit bigger for me.
Oh, bud, chill out, chill out. They're pretty though. Hello. I'm waving. Yep. Alright, cool. Yeah, watch out. It's pretty slick. Slick. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty slick out here, so just watch your step. Hey, I'll be watching. Alright, man.
They're good looking fish for sure.
This one, it's just no color. Just yellow. Yeah, this one's got some purples in them. And back down. Beating this wax worm up.
There we go. Hey, I got a bass. Little largy. Come on, bro. I'll let you go. Chill out. There we go. We're on the trip of monsters here, but we're still catching fish. We're rallying.
Be loaded up down there.
Yeah. We're rallying now, but I'm still marking down there.
It's a new species for me.
What is it?
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's like a white bass.
Probably a white perch.
Maybe a striped bass.
White perch.
I don't think I've ever really got one before. Maybe you can identify it.
It's a little chicken nugget. I would say white perch because I caught a ton of those, and I thought they were little wipers or white bass, but
Right. Yeah,
I don't know. They all look the same to me.
They do. I've never seen them this small though. A white perch.
There we go. That seems like a decent fish. Nice bass. That's not bad.
Hey, what you got there?
Little bass guy.
I see the gill a bit better.
Yeah.
Let's go see what he's working with over here.
Not too bad, guys. And there's another mark down there right now, but nice little argy on the little nasty combo here.
Pretty decent largie there, huh?
Not bad. And there's another big mark down there. You got your, oh, you don't have your rod with you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Those are fun to catch through the ice right there. You want to hold them, Mason? No.
Give him a kiss. Sniff.
Smell them. That's how you connect with nature.
It's pretty thick though.
Well, he's healthy.
Yeah.
He's definitely down there snacking on them little bluegill.
That's a good fish. Well, we'll drop him back down the hole here.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
See if we can get that other mark to hit.
Get back down there.
He shot up out of nowhere, guys. I just had to look at my phone for 15 minutes to make sure something came to bite, you know?
Yeah.
Not pay attention to what I'm doing. There we go, got a mark. There we go. It's not a terrible gill. Still not what I want. That bass is the biggest fish I've caught the whole trip. Sending him back down the hole. I see another mark down there.
But we were trying to get up there.
There we go. That seems like a decent fish. Oh, it got me wrapped up.
Google things that are okay.
How the hell
Did you catch a lily?
I must have.
Yeah. Time to re-rig.
Tight!
Those lilies good eating.
Okay. Let's see how much I suck.
Whoa, Mason. Yeah, bud. There you go. Good job, buddy. Hey, go show the camera.
Very nice.
Run over there and show the camera. Good job, dude.
Is that the first ice fish this year?
Is that your first ice fish ever?
Yeah.
Boom.
There we go. That's
Heck
awesome.
yeah, Mason. He hammered that thing too.
There you go.
Boom. Good job, Mason. Good job, dude.
All right.
Get back down there.
It's awesome.
Yep, get back down there. Drop down. Drop down. What you got there, Mike? Another larger bass. Getting better. Blake and I were doing some fishing on our way back from yeah, we're gonna.
Well, we've got some augers going in the background, but I need to get this recorded because I have 3% battery left, and that's all the batteries I've got. This is the last day of the South Dakota trip. We're not even in South Dakota right now, but we still managed to catch a few today. I caught a nice little bass. They've been nailing some gills. I haven't been able to catch anything big. Kelly, one of Eric's buddies, showed up and brought Mason out, and Mason had never caught any ice fish before today, and we managed to get him on a fish, so hopefully he's hooked for life. I always like to be the bad influence, you know. And we caught a few gills. I didn't catch any of these. Mike got all these. So there's a few eaters. He's still dangling, but we're all about out of batteries. This Hummingbird's about out of batteries, so, and we're about out of light. And I'm just gonna close it off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series. Hopefully we can get out and do some more ice fishing before the season closes out. So anyways, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a like. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Stay tuned.